Look at this. This is my Telegram robot that notifies me when I receive a payment into my Forsage business. So look what it says here. It says in the times 4 program in slot 5, the position 5 was bought by this person. Have no idea who this user is, okay? And you received a commission of 0.4 Ether, $94, okay? So let's go and have a look at that. So if I come here, this is the 4 times. Come over to this one, number 5, and then it says, if I look back here, it says position number 5 was bought. This is the slot 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from that one there, I earned money. And if you look, all of these blue dots, I've not recruited any of these people. Because if I look down here at the key, it says partners you invited. So these are people that I bought in, this greeny colour here. So these 2 people I bought in. And the spillover that I got is these blue ones. So I earned $94 there, $94 there, $94 there from people that I don't know, just from spillover, from people below me. Okay, so if you're in the right team, you can pick up spillover from below and above. And if I look into this 0.8 here, you see these 2 people here? That position's got filled by overflow from above. So I'm getting overflow from above, spill under from below, and I'm earning money, and I didn't recruit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people, 6 people, 7 people, 8 people, 9 people, 10, 11 people, 12, 13, 14. 14 people that have come into here I haven't recruited, but this one is cycled 4 times, okay? This one's cycled 3 times, this one's cycled 2 times, this cycled 1 time. So if you can't recruit, you want to make sure that you build the Forsage times 4, because that's where you're going to get the spillover and the spill under. How fantastic is that? Now, if you want to get started in this business, below the video, you're going to see a link. That's going to take you to this page. Beside the video, watch the video, recommend the video. It's going to blow your socks off. Beside that video, there's a place for you to put your name and your email address. Pop your name and your email address in there. I'll send you another video, which again will blow all of your socks off and show you how to get started in this amazing business. I'll see you in another video, and you have a fantastic day. Bye now.